Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video I want to do something different. I want to do a how-to. So basically I picked up some sneakers that are of OG status. The Infrared 6, the Sport Blue 6, the OG Bread or Black Cement Air Jordan 4. And like you notice that it is not in the best shape, right? The midsoles are gone, the upper is pretty much disintegrated, but in some ways, I still want to preserve this thing. So while I'm not looking to restore it right away, I do want to be able to still save the midsoles in case I want to do some sort of research on it down the line. So basically what I've done is purchase some things off Amazon. If you guys want to visit my Amazon store, you can click the link down in the description, and any of the things that I feature for this tutorial you'll be able to purchase yourself. And I get a little bit of a kickback if you guys use my Amazon store and you check out with the items in the cart. So anyways, so heat shrinking, right? I bought, I believe it's like a 50 pack of bags, and they're specific to shoes. So if you guys have never shrink wrapped anything before, obviously I haven't, we're going over this together because I've seen many other sneakers shrink wrapped. Like for example, when the Black Infrared 6 came to me, this was all shrink wrapped. And I had just cut out the upper because I wanted to feel the texture and compare it to the retros. And so what I did is I pretty much just cut the upper and I left the bottom half of the midsole and just wanted to keep it intact because I wanted to see what the color differences were between midsole to midsole of each of the years. So now that I have a machine of my own, or it's not really a machine, but I want to still be able to preserve something, so this will be my guinea pig. Again, Black Cement 4, and here we go. So basically, all you do is you take one of the bags, and this is specific to sneakers. So I wear a size 10, 10 and a half. I think you can fit up to a size 12. I still had a little bit of room at the end, and this is going to seal the end. This is called an impulse sealer, and basically what it does is it's just mild heat. Like you touch it, it doesn't get hot, it's plugged in, and there are settings at the end here to let you know pretty much like how fast this thing will seal. So I just kept it at its default when I saw it. It's at a number 5, and basically all you do is you take the shrink wrap, the bag, you're going to put the toe in on this side and the end on this side. So what I like to do first, just blow into the bag and then carefully slip in your shoe, toe in first, and get it all the way through, and you'll see I'll have pretty much a lot of space here at the end. So that's why I think you can go probably up to a size 12. I'm not sure about a 13, but you do have like, you know, several inches back there. But, you know, smaller the shoe the better, I suppose. And so what you're going to do here is you have the end of the bag you're going to lift this up, and you're going to place the end of the bag and seal it as close as you can to the shoe. So this is a 12-inch sealer. There are other ones on Amazon that are about 8 inches, but with this specific bag, I felt like it was the perfect length to go with, so I went with a 12-inch. And basically, it just takes 2 seconds. 1, 2, and it seals it right up. Minor malfunction there, but basically yes, that's it, and it seals it right up. So you can see right there, nice and sealed at the back. We can put this guy away. And what you do here next is you get a heat gun. You can probably use a blow dryer as well, but I like that there's a low and a high setting for this, so you can also find this in my Amazon store down below in the description. Basically, what I want to do first is I want to do the sole, and that's gonna, you know, get it nice and flat. It's the flattest part of the shoe, so get it on your low setting, and you're just gonna go back and forth, and it's gonna shrink it up. These parts right here that stick up, you can just point them down. And it'll shrink up. Continue going back and forth with the soles. Then you can start getting the sides and the rest of the upper. When you get to the top here, I kind of like to tuck it in. Get that going. And all you're going to do is you're just going to go all over the shoe. Until it all shrinks up on you. Try not to stay concentrated in one area, because obviously heat's going to separate the midsoles. And then sometimes you'll get these little bumps. I'm not sure if you guys can see that on the shoe, but there's like these little bumps on there. All you really have to do is just keep going over those little bumps, and it'll even out or smooth out. And that's about it. So that's how you heat shrink your shoes. I was a little bit intimidated about it because I've never done this before. You know, working, I guess, in sneaker stores, I'm sure most of you guys know how to do this or have seen it done. As far as like the shrink wrap itself, I think getting these shoe specific bags helped. It decreased my intimidation about it, and I was able to do it. So obviously the back, you're gonna have this line here with the heat seal. You can probably get a cleaner line with you know, some other bag. Maybe you guys can find something. I think these are great. Like, I think it worked out. I can preserve this shoe now, and if I ever want to just check out the materials or show it in video or something like that, I think what I'll do is I'll just, you know, did what I did with the infrared 6, is just cut up the upper and then just show you guys the shoe as is. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below. If you like this tutorial, hit me with a big thumbs up. Follow the channel if you guys are new, and yeah, all my social media as well. Thanks guys, talk to you guys later. Take care.